Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Steve Madden unboxing, a true unboxing. I have a Kurt Geiger reveal and a few other things that I want to share with you. If you want to see what I have, stick around. So you guys know that I do not like to dilly-dally, right? So we're just going to get right into the unboxing. It's not Louis Vuitton, it's not Gucci, but it's Steve Madden, and I'm super excited to show you what I got. Okay, so they come in this box. So let's see what they look like. It's kind of fun to do true unboxings. Oh, each one is wrapped up individually. And here they are. Wow. I love them. Oh, they're all fuzzy and they look, what do they look like? Do they remind you of Valentino's? Now, they probably don't make any shoes like this, but they have the really cool rock stud. I love the fact that these are a little different because there's two straps. The bottom has a lot of tread, and what really caught my eye, of course, was the studs. And I was looking for a black pair, and you guys, these are affordable. So I just thought they were so cute, and they look warm and cozy. Yeah. Oh, wow, I am not disappointed at all. So I was kind of scared because you guys know how some of my true unboxings have went. So this is what I got. Aren't they cute? So cute. Of course, you can't wear them when it's really, really cold outside, but these are so cute, and I'm so happy that I'm pleased with them because I thought, I wonder what they're gonna look like in person, but they really caught my eye. The studs, and then also just the soft fuzziness on the inside, so they look really super comfy. So that's the first unboxing. Ah, bam! Love these. Okay. Now, I have a reveal because I couldn't wait, you guys. It came in the other day, and you know my back was, I was really down in my back for over a week. Well, this item came, and I was going to do a true unboxing, but you guys, I needed a pick-me-up, okay? I was all depressed and in pain. So this item came, and you're probably going to be surprised. Bam! Oh my gosh! Okay, how cute is this little booger? I love it. Look at that, the little eagle's head. Now, let me tell you, when I opened this, my first impression was it's super cute, but it's super small. Like, it's smaller than I thought it was, but I've already used it. I went to the grocery store because that's like one of the few places I go, but I just wanted to, you know, do a trial run, and I'm not disappointed at all. It fit my phone very easily. It fit my 2 card cases and my car keys. So, I mean, this little bag, it holds enough, but I really got it because, well, you know, the Louis Vuitton heart bag, I don't even know what it's called, from the Game On edition. It's all the rage right now, and all the big YouTubers, they get a hold of it, but and influencers, but you know, somebody like me, I can't get my hands on it. Not that I would want it, because I don't like that bag. I'll be honest with you, I don't like it, and I don't like it especially for the price tag. This price tag, less than $200, lambskin, such a cute little, it's a novelty bag. And I thought Valentine's Day is coming up. We've got a date planned to go to one of our favorite restaurants, and I thought this would be so cute. Now, I'm not for sure if I'm going to use it, but I think I'm going to. I could change my mind, you guys. I changed my mind with the wind, but I'm really happy with it. It is smaller than I thought that it was. So if you've looked at this and seen this online and thought about it, it really is very well made, but it is smaller than I had anticipated that it would be. I will try it on for you in just a bit, but I want to put a couple of items in here and show you what all that it does. All right, so, oh, let me show you my bag of the week. Bam! I have not carried this beauty in quite a while. Now, it's supposed to be rainy this week, and if it's pouring down rainy and I have to go somewhere, I'll probably just carry my ebene, never full, but look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, this is still one of my all-time favorite bags, and I really, really want the tan one, or the cream one, or the beige one, or whatever you want to call it, but I really want to make out with this bag. But anyway, okay. All right, let me show you what I carried in this little bag the other day, just as a trial run, just to show you that you can fit a lot of stuff in it. All right, so let me show you what I carried in this little bag the other day. All right, so I had my iPhone 10 in this bag, and it doesn't go, of course, all the way to the bottom. It kind of hangs right here because of the shape of the bag. But there's still plenty of room, see? So I just put it in there, but I normally put it in with a pop socket toward the back, like that, okay? I had my credit card carrier, and then also this YSL card case that I keep my driver's license in. That's what I had in it the other day. Now, Keith was driving that day, so I did not have my 6-ring key holder, okay? So those items are in there, phone and 2 card cases. And I could easily put a lipstick in there, but this is all I had in it the first day. But if I were driving, I would have to probably, actually I would have to have my keys, so I'd probably just take my phone out, stick it in my pocket, or my bra. Wait a minute, I don't wear a bra. Okay. TMI, but seriously, I would probably just take it out and carry it or something, stick it in my pocket, because you have to have room for a card holder, your keys. So I have that Louis Vuitton card holder, the YSL card holder, and then my 6-ring key holder, and I could easily put a lipstick in there, and I'll do that now. And so it's a perfect date night bag. So we'll put a lipstick in there, because when you go on date night, you don't need keys. But if you did need keys, they would fit. But you have to make provisions. So this would easily go in there, and I will zip it. It's got this little pull, and it zips very easily. There's no stress. So for date night, how cute is this little bag? Because it does carry all your date night essentials. It is a special occasion bag, and I love it. Do I recommend it? I do recommend it for date night, or, you know, just special occasions. You can't really use it as an everyday bag. I mean, I guess you could, if all you carry around is a card case, keys, and a phone. You could, but for me, no. I'm going to use this for special occasions, and I just love it for that reason. So it's just so different and so cute. I just heart it so much. So here it is. And you guys, the thing I love about Kurt Geiger is the price point. And I don't know if it's picking up, but I'm telling you guys, the stones that they put in the eagle's head are so sparkly. This is so soft. And then here it says Kurt Geiger on the back. So, would you rather pay over $2,000 for that ridiculous Louis Vuitton bag, or would you rather have this bag for less than $200? I like this bag. Number one, it's leather, and it's different, it's unusual, and it's just super cute. I really like it. So I'm going to show you a few mod shots and let you see what it looks like on my 5'3" frame. Don't worry, guys. I'm okay. I'm okay. It's just part of YouTube. It's just part of filming, you know. Sometimes these mishaps. Don't worry, I'm okay. Sometimes when filming, some mishaps can happen, okay? I'm okay. But you can see what it looks like on my 5'3" frame. If you look at the pictures on the website, to me, it looks bigger. And I'm just an average size. I'm a size 8'10" and 5'3". So I don't know why it looks so small on me, but it does hold enough for date night or for a special night. And I love it. I'm so happy that I have it in my collection. So I hope that the modeling shots did help you.